Hey, hello everyone, bring another video for this again. This strategy is very simple based on what I know on this one are the pivot points. Alright? Fractal points and so on. For this video I could only use the zigzag and then find the type of movements, and based on that I get an entry. I could import and resistance, so the analysis strong when enters those points. Let's go to the configured. First, we go to the indicator, zigzag as I said for you. Okay. 5, 12, and 3. And as and save it. The expiration time will be 1 minute. Don't forget to change that. Oh my gosh. Alright. So, for $7, we just need to do that. Just make this one. So guys, generally the pivot points are this, but I have to wait for the price to react to the zone. To read the zone, I can complement the analysis with support and resistance. And if at that the point the price falls again and rejects with the candlestick partner, can enter on the upside, as you can see right here. Okay. Sometimes that can make a fake situation, sometimes it's a good one. Right, so you need to wait for that for the confirmation. Let's see how this turns out, and look at that, 87 points, a profit for us. That's $6. Very good. Okay, I have the first position one right here. So there the price also slow down and make this movement here, guys. Look at that, you can see that conversion. Now it's again is trying to go down, and that is the moment. Okay, that is the moment. This can give me a downward condition if you go too much short time frame. But I'm going to wait for an order. This right here. Look at that. Just wait for entry longer. When I have the confirmation and everything, it just using the downward again. Here I have another entry on that one.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
You can see that it's pretty good. You can change between the 15 seconds, 1 minute, 30 seconds. That is pretty good to help you to identify all the corrections this reverse is happening here. And look, that's why that's important to use 1 minute expiration time, guys. That is very volatile. All right. So here's showing me that this is kind of a resistance. Well, I'm going to wait and see how the second position turns out and when it happens or not. Oh well, we see the last one. Okay, 5 seconds remaining. Almost there. Come on, baby. Yep. I just got these $106. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, guys. All right, so let's see the last one right now. Try to do that. You can see that on this point right here. This one is not so good, but I try to take a risk for show you. Sometimes you just need to pay attention and try to avoid some situations. And that is one of this. Okay? You can see that. That's a good one, but it's not so good. But that's it. Okay? So we see that I'm at a kind of resistance, and while the price can reach there, let's see how what's happened with this one. And look at that, guys, almost 10 seconds remaining. Okay, when it just trying to then find the pivot point, that is we have a good one. And look at that, we got a draw on this. That is not so good. Let's try again. Maybe this one will try to respect.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. leave a positive comment, and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
And let's see, that's got this $277 in the total in my account, guys. 47 to 277, which is a good profit for me. That's a good one, guys. That's all for this video. I invite you to subscribe, like the video, share with the link with your friends, and share the live sessions every day. Have a great day, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. See you.